treating me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Mother, I crave violence.
Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Baba Booey.
That's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, that's not the light. You're gonna make my body fly.
It's my fucking dick.
Okay, so my cat hasn't been allowed to go outside for like a week now, and he's always just looking at me like this. Dude, it's okay. You're not an outside cat. You get your ass beat every time you go outside. Fucking suck it up. Bang! Oh no, she's dead.
Oh shit.
You have to stop putting salt on our snails. Look how cute it is. And you want to kill it with salt? Look at it. It's drinking water. Water.
No, stop listening. Mom, I don't want to get involved. I got enough problems with the 14 kids who think.
Hey, my baby.
Hey, my mommy. Hey, mama.
Achoo.
Passy, mommy.
Thank you.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day.
Buddy. Hello. What are you doing? Can I help you with something? Oh, baby. You're so cute.